Hello, and welcome to Modest Coaching, the place where we show the average person that anyone can achieve financial success. My name is Danielle Lowinger, owner and creator of Modest Coaching.
Hey guys, Danielle here. I just wanted to do a real quick video for you guys just to introduce you to what affiliate marketing is. I know I've mentioned it now a handful of times with a couple of different just photographic posts, but I thought I'd just take a couple short minutes here just to explain what affiliate marketing is. So essentially what affiliate marketing is that you are the mediator between a product, a company and a product, and the buyer and the purchaser. So essentially what you're doing is you're sort of funneling all the clients into a specific company. For example, Amazon is a big one. It's one of the best known, but it's also one of the hardest ones to do really, really well in just because there is so much competition. So what Amazon does is, let's say, for instance, this is a Bose Wi-Fi speaker that I have. And essentially what I can do is if I want to make what's called a commission is pretty much a small percentage of what this overall cost of this speaker is. So if this speaker was, let's say, it's usually $99.99, I think, but we'll round it up to 100, make it an easy number. Let's say you earn about a 5% commission on something like this that you sell off of Amazon. And so for every one of these that you sell with a special little link, you get $5. So let's say you sell it to 100 people, then you make $500. So it's pretty simple when you first start out and you talk about it. But if you really want to start racking in the amount of money that a lot of us are looking for me, example, move out of my parents' house and buy my own house, and others who just want to prepare to be able to spend time with their kids and be able to provide for their kids and to buy them the clothes and the food and the different sportswear and the different toys. This is where you're going to need to do something just a little bit more than Amazon affiliates, unless you can really dive in and find some stuff that you know how to sell. So that's essentially what affiliate marketing is. And essentially what you need to learn are the 3 or 4 different ways that you can do it and do it really well. One of them is Amazon, which I mentioned. The next one could be YouTube. The third one could be Facebook, and a fourth one could be a whole bunch of different other little things, depending on if you get like a direct contract with a specific product line from a specific product company. So essentially, what the group I'm a part of called Entre, we take people who have no experience whatsoever, like myself. When I was back in 2020, December of 2020, I had no experience, didn't know what affiliate marketing was, and I've now gotten up to the point where I'm at where I am. So now I'm telling you about it because Entre is a great social learning club. They have their own private Facebook group. They have their private fan page. Depending on how far you go in their program, you also can meet the actual creator, Jeff Lerner. They have a whole bunch of different like insight and different, different events that they host throughout the whole entire year that you can go and subscribe to, and then go to a live event to get live in-person training. So you're sitting, next to someone next to you in this huge auditorium and you're listening to the people who've done it. And Jeff Lerner, who's made millions off of this, I mean, he went through, and if you saw one of the earlier posts, he went through and it was over about $400,000 in debt and was able to learn affiliate marketing, do it well, and turned around and paid off $400,000 in 18 months. I mean, to a lot of us, that's just undoable, right? It's just a fathom number amount, a fathom number that we just can't understand that we can actually do it ourselves. And Jeff and his team has come up with a way in order to do so, to where you can follow them step by step, how Jeff started and where he's gotten to now, and the different things that you have to add into it. So with that said, I'd love to talk to you each individually about what we offer here at Entre, and I would love to answer any questions that you may have. But as we keep going, we are going to get further and further into a couple little examples that I'll be showing over the next week or so. So stay tuned. I hope you guys are having a great day. It's Tuesday here for me. So have a great rest of your week. Have a good one. Have a good night.